In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can buy wheel spins here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, let me go ahead and get out of this cutscene real quick. I just needed to leave my estate. I felt like I was in there for too long. But of course, you're going to need certain cars. And of course, in order to get those certain cars, you're going to have to use the wheel spin. However, certain cars are also going to have the car mastery tree, which include regular wheel spins and even super wheel spins as well. So first things first, hit pause, go over to your cars, and you need to go ahead and open up your car's mastery. This is going to be in the car tab right here. If you go through here, some of these are going to have wheel spins on here. It looks like this Corvette that I have right now doesn't have them, but a lot of like the Forza edition cars are going to have this. So essentially you need to go through all of your cars, and there is a lot of them in this game, so just keep that in mind. I'm sure you could search up a list that has like all of the cars with it. It's probably something on Reddit. But if you go through here and then open up the car mastery, you're going to see some of these might have a wheel spin on it. Others are going to have super wheel spins and so on and so forth. So just go through here. I bet the Halo one has one. Let's find that car real quick. Oh, yep, there we go. It looks like this one right here has instant super wheel spins just like so. So you can, of course, follow the skill tree in order to unlock it. That's the full process, though. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace. Oh, there we go. We're doing the wheel spin. Give it something good. Oh, that was horrible. We just got scammed.